To get Trust Wallet on PC, you need to follow a series of steps. First, open a web browser and navigate to the official Trust Wallet website. Click on the download button to access the download options. Since Trust Wallet is primarily a mobile application, you will need to use an Android emulator to run it on your PC. Next, download and install an Android emulator such as BlueStacks or Noxplayer. These emulators allow you to run Android applications on your PC. Once the emulator is installed, launch it and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, open the Google Play Store within the emulator and search for Trust Wallet. Click on the Install button to download and install the application. Wait for the installation to complete. Then click on the Open button to launch Trust Wallet. When you launch Trust Wallet for the first time, you will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new to Trust Wallet, click on Create a New Wallet and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. Make sure to save your seed phrase in a secure location, as it will be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access. After setting up your wallet, you can use Trust Wallet on your PC to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. You can also use it to interact with decentralized applications and participate in the blockchain ecosystem. Always keep your wallet and emulator up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you can easily get Trust Wallet on your PC and start using it to manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and use best practices to protect your wallet and assets.